As you contemplate your estate plan, it's imperative to evaluate not just the financial implications but also the emotional landscape that surrounds your family. Engaging in honest conversations about your intentions can dispel any misconceptions and pave the way for smoother transitions in the future. When family members understand your decisions, they are more likely to feel included and respected, diminishing the chances of disputes arising after your passing. This proactive communication fosters a supportive environment, where relatives can celebrate your wishes rather than contest them. Navigating the complexities of inheritance is often overwhelming, but breaking down the process into manageable parts can ease your burden. Begin by listing your assets, including properties, investments, and personal belongings, identifying their approximate value. Consider how you wish to allocate these assets among your heirs, factoring in their needs and circumstances. Creating a balanced distribution plan can significantly lessen feelings of favoritism or resentment among family members, ultimately promoting a sense of equity. Additionally, documenting your decisions clearly in your will or living trust will further reinforce your intentions and provide clarity for your loved ones. In dealing with family dynamics, it's also valuable to remain open to feedback from your loved ones. While your intentions guide the decisions, the input of those who will be affected can enhance your estate plan's clarity and suitability. This collaborative approach allows for adjustments to be made in consideration of family relationships and the unique circumstances surrounding each member. Moreover, when heirs feel their voices are heard, it can transform the estate planning process from a source of potential conflict into a collaborative journey toward honoring your legacy. Establishing a family meeting or involving a neutral third party can further assist in fostering a constructive dialogue, ensuring everyone involved has a stake in the outcomes. Involving your family in the estate planning process can actually yield profound benefits. Not only does it cultivate a sense of shared responsibility, but it also enhances understanding and acceptance of your choices. As you gather your loved ones to discuss your plans, create an atmosphere that encourages questions and open dialogue. This practice not only clarifies your wishes but can also reassure family members about their roles and expectations moving forward. In doing so, you're not just planning for the distribution of your assets, you're actively nurturing relationships that will endure long after you're gone. It's a meaningful investment in family unity that pays dividends in stability and peace. Furthermore, as you engage your family in these discussions, acknowledge that each member may have varying emotional responses regarding your wishes. Sensitivity to these feelings can create a more compassionate dialogue, thereby reinforcing family bonds in the face of difficult topics. It may be helpful to emphasize the importance of love and unity, reminding them that your plan is a reflection of your care for their futures. This approach encourages your loved ones to view the estate plan as a supportive framework rather than a point of contention. By mentoring them through the emotional layers involved, you pave the way for acceptance and understanding, not just regarding your intentions but also the legacy you hope to impart. As you construct your estate plan, integrating discussions on tax implications into your conversations is essential. By addressing these aspects now, you can reduce potential financial burdens on your heirs, ensuring they inherit a legacy free from unexpected tax obligations. Educating your loved ones about different tax strategies associated with your plan can foster a deeper understanding of your choices, highlighting your commitment to their well-being. Taking the time to explain how a living trust may offer advantages over a will can empower your beneficiaries to appreciate the foresight embedded in your decisions. Ultimately, this level of transparency cultivates gratitude and respect, promoting unity as your family navigates the landscape of your legacy with shared purpose. In addition to the broader conversations surrounding your estate plan, ensure that you emphasize the crucial role of professional guidance. A skilled estate planning attorney can illuminate various strategies tailored to your unique situation, providing clarity to complex legalities. Consulting a professional consistently reinforces your family's understanding of your intent, as they can address questions and mitigate concerns effectively. In conclusion, the careful construction of your estate plan, enriched by open dialogue and professional advice, lays the foundation for a harmonious legacy. By valuing both the emotional ties and financial implications, you create a lasting impact that resonates with your loved ones, guiding them through the future with confidence and love.
Disclaimer. This content is for educational purposes only and is not legal, compliance, or financial advice. Please consult a qualified professional before making any financial decisions.